lẹ la. Oh no, wait. I will make it smaller so you can eat small. Okay, here. So it's small. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow, so cute and so big. Oh, where you going? It's here. Oh. Oops. It's more here. It's here. No worries. Uh-oh, I will not hurt you. Here. Hit. Wow. It is so big. Look. Really, really big. Oh, here they come. You scare me. Don't scare me. I scare you. You're not the one to scare. I scare you. Oh. It's unbelievable. And this morning, I saw they fly over there. And I just like, wow, I like them. If they come here, I will give them something to eat. Yeah, and actually they come here. So why not? Eat. Can I touch you? I wanna touch you. Here. Take it. And don't hurt me, okay? Ooh, a bit scared. Take it. Come on. Take it. That's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm a bit scared. Aww. Take it. Come on. You can do it. Here. It's okay. Here you go. Come on. Take it. They both come. Okay. Oops. Here. Okay. Oh. No, that is not my finger. That's my nail. Oops. Take it. No, that's my finger. He's trying to eat my nail. No, it's my nail. No. It's really funny. Yes, take this. This one trying to eat my nail. No, no, not my nail. Oh, finally, I can touch them. No, that's my nail. Eat this. Come on. Eat this. Ah, I can't believe I see them. Oh, that's my finger. That's my finger. I'm sorry. It's not food. It's my finger. Oh, oh. Wow. They're going up there. They're going up there. I'm so excited. Did you see that? I just touched them. Oh my gosh. I just touched them. Oh, so cute. Hopefully they stay here. Okay, I will give you food every day. Don't forget to come here. Bye bye. Bye bye.